Hey guys and gals, A here. Today I have the little one and we are building a wooden knife. So if you want to join us in building this wooden knife and you already have one, get your kit out and get ready to go and build along with us. Otherwise, see how awesome it is and maybe get one for yourself. Alright guys and gals, you ready? Because here we go!
Let's build it!
Alright guys, so the reason we are building this knife here is our little guy was at Blade Show on day 2 with us, and all he wanted the whole time was a knife, a knife, a knife. And obviously we are not giving him a real knife, nor was anyone else who worked there. And so we ended up traveling around, and different people were saying they wish they had brought their wooden knives with them or their templates. They would have given us one, and CRKT actually makes one. And so they we went over there, they saw him, he told them he needed a knife. They opened up one of the little table under the curtain under the table, found the wood knife kit, handed it to him and said, there you go buddy, build your first knife. So check out CRKT, Blade Show's awesome, go next year if you can. Maybe you'll get some cool stuff like a wooden knife for your kid. Alright guys and gals, so it is time to build a wooden knife. So this is from CRKT. It is called Nathan's Knife Kit. And if we open up the bag, the first thing we see is my first knife, because this is your first knife, dude. You excited?
Yeah, let's build it.
Let's build it. So we have some wooden dowels here, and we have the one of the scales, we have the other scale, we have the knife blade itself, and then we have the 2 pieces that are going to allow us to open and close it. And it looks like we have a little piece of sandpaper in case we need to file anything down. Alright, so let's see what we got going on here. Alright, so the back actually has how you're going to assemble this. Alright, bud, let's see what we can do here. So we have 4 small pieces that are all the same size, and those are going to go in these holes here to connect it. And then we have this piece here that's going to go with the locking mechanism. What we're going to do is start out with this piece here. Can you put this peg in one of these holes? Any hole. We got 4 of them. Good job. Now I got another one.
This one goes.
Any hole. Your choice. Perfect. Got another peg? Put it in that hole. And the last one. Alright, and now take this, and can you set it right there? Alright, so far we have the 4 pegs in the hole, which I just knocked one out. And then we have this piece right here. Oh, here, put this one in that hole. And then this comes in this hole. Right there. See it? Right here. Lulu. Hey. Right there. Right in there. Right in that hole. You get here. I'll help you. So you have a hole on the side here that we're going to slide this one in. And these pegs keep wanting to fall out. Hopefully they'll get a little friction at some point. Then we put our locking mechanism, go ahead and place that on the knife like so. And this goes right here and right there. Oh, and on the back side. So it's a little hard to pick this up, but that is what you're going to end up with. You got the locking mechanism on this peg, you have the blade on the front peg, and you have this little torque piece there. And then I guess the final piece we do is to go ahead and place the other scale on it. Get all these pegs lined up. We're building your knife, bud. You excited? and squeeze everything together. We are going to build your knife. Almost done. We got to get these pegs pushed through where they belong. Got two of them that don't want to line up right. There is. And that's how it's going to hold together, is with the friction from all of these. Let's see here. Well, we're just going to fully disassemble this knife here for a little minute. Get all the pegs pushed through to the bottom. That way that side is flush, and then leave this against the table. That's my new attempt at this. So then all I have to do is get the top scale on. And also the little hands that are helping you are going to make this a little more difficult as well. But with a little perseverance.
And now paper thing go back in the playroom.
That's right. Then we got to take it into the playroom. We need a little something to It's not working either. We're gonna get a little mallet brought in by the assistants off camera. You think we can have it fixed by the time Daddy comes back?
I'm gonna clap.
Him's gonna clap?
I'm gonna clap.
Oh, he's gonna grab? He's gonna grab us a mallet. Oh, we got one in. You think we can get the other before Daddy comes back?
We're gonna bring.
What's he gonna bring? A mallet for us.
Yeah. Here's the mallet. Here's the mallet. Here's the mallet. Thanks. A mallet. A mallet.
There you go, bud. Very gentle. Oh, hang on one second. Hang on one second. I'm making sure we got this.
Can we get a hammer?
Nope, no hammer for you.
Is our building?
Almost.
Can we do this?
Hang on, let me
Mommy.
Thanks, Bobs.
I got hammer.
Hang on, buddy. Almost done. You think we got it this time?
No.
Nope.
I got it.
We got it this time? You might have been right the first time. Alright, 3 of the 4 are in here. There we go. Look at that. And you push the lock back and the knife folds in and pops out into place. That is pretty cool. And the little guy has made his very first pocket knife. There you go, bud. Is it cool?
Yeah.
All right. Thanks for hanging out with us, guys. We'll be back with a new video soon. And remember, EDC, EDC.